Convert list of dictionaries to a pandas data frame. How can I convert a list of dictionaries into a data frame? Given. I want to turn the above into a data frame. Note: order of the columns does not matter.
If this is a list of dicts. Note: this does not work with nested data.
How do I convert a list of dictionaries to a pandas data frame? The other answers are correct, but not much has been explained in terms of advantages and limitations of these methods. The aim of this post will be to show examples of these methods under different situations, discuss when to use, and when not to use, and suggest alternatives. DataFrame, DataFrame.from_records, and .from_dict. Depending on the structure and format of your data, there are situations where either all three methods work, or some work better than others, or some don't work at all. Consider a very contrived example. This list consists of records with every keys present. This is the simplest case you could encounter. Word on dictionary orientations, orient equals index/columns. Before continuing, it is important to make the distinction between the different types of dictionary orientations, and support with pandas. There are two primary types, columns, and index. Orient equals columns. Dictionaries with the columns orientation will have their keys correspond to columns in the equivalent data frame. For example, data above is in the columns orient. Note: if you are using pd.dataframe.from_records, the orientation is assumed to be columns, you cannot specify otherwise, and the dictionaries will be loaded accordingly. Orient equals index. With this orient, keys are assumed to correspond to index values. This kind of data is best suited for pd.dataframe.from_dict. This case is not considered in the op, but is still useful to know. Setting custom index. If you need a custom index on the resultant data frame, you can set it using the index equals ... argument. This is not supported by pd.dataframe.from_dict. Dealing with missing keys/columns. All methods work out of the box when handling dictionaries with missing keys/column values. For example, reading subset of columns. What if I don't want to read in every single column? You can easily specify this using the columns equals ... parameter. For example, from the example dictionary of data 2 above, if you wanted to read only columns A, and F, you can do so by passing a list. This is not supported by pd.dataframe.from_dict with the default orient columns. Reading subset of rows. Not supported by any of these methods directly. You will have to iterate over your data and perform a reverse delete in place as you iterate. For example, to extract only the 0th and 2nd rows from data to above, you can use the panacea, JSON_normalize for nested data. A strong, robust alternative to the methods outlined above is the JSON_normalize function, which works with lists of dictionaries, records, and in addition can also handle nested dictionaries. Again, keep in mind that the data passed to JSON_normalize needs to be in the list of dictionaries, records, format. As mentioned, JSON_normalize can also handle nested dictionaries. Here's an example taken from the documentation. For more information on the meta and record_path arguments, check out the documentation. Summarizing. Here's a table of all the methods discussed above, along with supported features/functionality. Use orient equals columns and then transpose to get the same effect as orient equals index.
In pandas 16.2, I had to do pd.dataframe.from_records_d to get this to work.
You can also use pd.dataframe.from_dictd as.
If jag väntar så är det. Det är att jag kan hinna upp streaming.